Hello travelers, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I show you interesting videos of the places I visit. We call our motherland India Incredible India, and there are thousands of reasons to call it Incredible India. You must have visited many places and temples across India where devotees offer prayers to different gods. But today I am going to take you and tell you about an incredible temple site where worship extends beyond traditional boundaries, where a 350cc Royal Enfield bullet motorcycle is being worshipped, accompanied by offerings of alcohol including rum, whiskey, beer and wine too. Isn't that sounds interesting? Yes, you heard correctly. Welcome to this unique and incredible Bullet Baba Temple, also known as the Om Banna Temple, situated just 53 kilometers from the enchanting blue city of Jodhpur in Pali district of the royal state of Rajasthan in India. In this video, I will tell you the story behind the creation of this Royal Enfield Bullet Motorcycle Temple, exploring the deeply held beliefs of the people. But before we dive into the history, please show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more informative travel videos. This temple is on National Highway 62, Jodhpur to Pali at village Chotila, and the story behind Bullet Baba Temple is very interesting and unbelievable, but it's true. As per the legend, on 5th May 1988, a young man named Om Singh Rathore, at his age of 24 years, died in a road accident while riding his beloved 350cc Royal Enfield bullet motorcycle when he lost control over his motorbike. According to the locals, the accident was a result of drunken driving. Bullet motorbike hit a tree and Om Singh Rathore died on the spot, whereas the motorcycle fell into a nearby ditch. The morning after the accident, local police took the motorcycle to a nearby police station. The next day, it was reported to have mysteriously disappeared from the station and was found back at the site of the accident. Police once again took the motorcycle, this time emptying its fuel tank and putting it under lock and key. Despite their efforts, the next morning again it disappeared and was found at the accident site. It repeatedly happened and the police couldn't keep hold of the bullet bike, no matter what they tried. The motorcycle always returned to the same spot before dawn. The news of the miracle motorcycle spread to the nearby villages. This came to be seen as a miracle by the local people, and they began to worship the bullet bike, and later they built a temple to worship it. This temple is known as the Bullet Baba's Temple near Jodhpur. The accidental site has been turned into a religious hotspot, and tourists around the world visit this temple along with the locals. Every day, nearby villagers and travelers stop and pray to the bike and its late owner Om Singh Rathore, who is now a local folk deity. It is believed that Om Banna's spirit helps distressed travelers. Those who pass by stop to bow their heads, leaving offerings in honor of the helpful spirit, and some drivers also offer small bottles of alcohol at the site. People sing folk songs in the name of Om Banna now. The temple is situated under the open sky take special care to protect the bullet motorcycle by housing it within a glass enclosure. In the Om Banna temple, a holy fire keeps burning non-stop with the help of dry coconuts. There's always a priest next to the Om Banna's photo and statue on the temple platform. When people bring alcohol to him, he pours a bit in front of the statue of Om Banna as an offering and returns the rest back as the blessing of Om Banna to them. Please note that consuming alcohol, whether inside the temple complex or outside, is strictly prohibited. Observing the bullet bike at Om Banna temple in Jodhpur, you will notice the bike's registration number RNJ 7773. Additionally, you can see the impact of the accident on the front tire where the rubber has been damaged. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for informative travel videos. See you soon on another adventure.